Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Come test drive 2021 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, trip odometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey, John.
Hey, Pete. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I got to go. I owe him a cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.